Right guys, here we go, MTS day 2. With the top down again, the weather is nice, the weather is beautiful. I'm just going to roll into the breakfast morning event. Not easy, SD yellow.
Right there is yours.
3 convertibles in a row, there we go. So that's this, is it Horse Raceway, wasn't it? Yeah, Horse Raceway, I think it is. Saying that yours actually needs a service in a while. I remember, like on the dash, I was looking at the dash, it said like 1,000 miles. It's due a service. Yeah. Just gonna park the cars up. We're gonna park. Okay, we're quite early this time though. Only 4 rows deep. Oh yeah, we're right at the front of the back.
Front mirrors, driver's side mirrors.
Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you. Cool.
A little bit. Perfect. Keep coming. Thank you.
Yeah guys, so now we're just heading into the next day at Mini Takes Estates. I'm going to have a quick mooch around the cars as everyone parks up, see what cars I can spot, what's nice, and then I did manage to bump into someone that had done the previous Mini Takes Estates because I noticed the badge on their car and they came up to me and started to speak to me, so that was cool. Nice learning about their story and their Mini and everything that comes with that. And like always, every morning rise event, there's a great collection of minis from F56s, first gens. Was the Arda Classic as well, which is quite cool. And I've enjoyed the event as it is because Mini UK don't do anything like this. So it's nice again seeing people learning their stories about their cars and their sort of passion along the way. So it's always nice when I come out there and see people. It just brings joy to my heart that this little car brand, which is obviously only makes 1% of US car sales, has such a good reach with the people that buy them, what they do as a club, what Mini USA does to sort of increase the exposure of the brand. And so what the world's greatest advertising campaign, I think, is Mini Takes Estates, just given how we get to go travel across the whole of the USA, meet different owners, and it ties people together, and that's what makes Mini Takes Estates so special. Just hiding behind this quite blue R56 was this GP3. I love the fact that they gone around for these blue touches on the vinyl stickers, the front grille, the lower valance. It was cool. It was nice seeing a variation on something dual made to look the same. The nice blue touches with the seat belts inside there. You couldn't much see it on the camera. The fuel cap was done, even the valve caps were done, so that was cool. I thought that was all cool. They painted the rear wing internally as well, got the GP3 badges in green as well, so it was, again, kind of cool. I love how they're doing it. They've gone for that B&W blue inside there, so again, nice touches on essentially what is a similar car of 3000 made, and it was nice seeing a Knights edition as well behind it as well. Again, it was nice seeing a fair few GP3s on the run, GP2s, and seeing the odd GP1. Nice seeing that they're being used instead of sort of being garage queens. And I've just pointed to the service centre that Mini Takes States had on the sort of the run. So if your Mini needed service or anything like that, or any maintenance done, it can easily done. And there I'm just pointing at the Mini USA's own press fleet and their own cars. You can tell they're Mini USA cars by having the New Jersey plates. I'm just going to head in now and get some more food. Alright guys, back into the thing. I've had a breakfast burrito. I'm not happy because I've wanted one for a very long time. Since 2014. I don't know why, they just make me happy. Everything in a nice little package. But anyway, let's move in. Let's look at some cars. Not sure what this is about. I guess if they got mega early here. Got to park people's cars here. Oh, it's on the UK plate. So we got a sort of a track special R53. Some carbon trims. Got a roll cage in the back. Nice Gen 2s or express parking pass. Okay. That's a sidewalk with a UK plate as well. Nice coupe. Funky. That is a brave colour scheme. Because you got the green with the lion and this sort of burgundy. That's mega. So we've got blue. We've got American themed. British Racing green. Okay. Good about her. Giving the whole American theme going on. Nice ACW. This is the sidewalk edition. Yep, sidewalk. Obviously the new Countryman. This is the facelift. Jungle green. Clubman JCW. All 4 Cooper Clubman S. Then we've got a nice Countryman, probably one of the last few, so not giving that colour. Splash, Caribbean blue, dress. I think this is just that's cute for the toilet. No one's interested in that. So we have got a nice Countryman again. We run across here. Couple of Gen 1s down here. Nice Gen 1. It's actually, the paint looks really good on that one. Really nice.
See this car?
Good. MTTS 22. So we got our Countryman here. Nice R59 Roadster. R56, I think it's just a Cooper or Juster in the US. And blue, that's the orange. Cool. Go around here. ADS parking lot. Okay. Put these over here. A bit more funky.
A little bit in the scoop.
Looks like he's got a Chester or a Cheeto vibe going on. It's kind of cool. I guess it's all sticked up, ready to rally. Countryman here. So done. Okay, they've actually done every single one. Yeah. Oh, right. Sorry about that.
Oh, don't worry about it.
Gen 1 in orange. Rebel green. Sort of Hello Kitty vibed. Paceman. Paddy Hopkirk's edition. To be fair, this is the first time me seeing him in the flesh. I haven't seen one at a dealer. Then again, I haven't been to a dealer in a long while. Been working on the Civics. And V-teching everywhere. No, it looks good. It's more of a subtle vibe. Like the WC50 were. That's cool. That concludes that then, guys. We're just going to head to the main stage. I'm going to grab some more food. But I'll pick you up, guys, up on the rest of the rally. Alright, guys. About to start the run. Day 2 to the Poconos. Alright, that is everyone. Everyone's starting to leave. We've had our breakfast burritos all fueled up, ready to go. Yes, we all line up in a row, and each day, first line, then it goes so and so and so and so on. It's nice, a good way of doing it. There's a random Camry for no reason. But yeah, happy days. So that was it. We were headed onto the road. It was a mixture of driving, of both me, Brianna driving and me driving, as we sort of drew through this beautiful weather. Hit the back roads, went through a town. Obviously nice seeing other minis on the road, waving to them and just enjoying the open top life. What more could you ask for on a mini run? So enjoy the rolling footage of us getting to the Poconos and heading towards the Twisties. Okay guys, join us back on day 2. Just enjoying the nice scenery. I'm driving now. Some beautiful back roads. The weather is perfect. We've got the top down. We've got Brianna some Cheetos, so she's happy as well. The flaming hot ones. Just going to enjoy the day and have fun. Guys, join us back. We're driving in around the Poconos. So gone up some side roads. I guess it's kind of like more of a National Trust site that we're driving through. Just get our cruise. More greenery. We did stop. Brianna spotted this, even though I said there was no waterfall. She's made me turn the car around, and there was a waterfall. I didn't even see it. Just because she was riding passenger. So there we go. That to see a waterfall. So another great day on Mini Takes Estates. Got to be around some nature, which is always nice. Through the Poconos. Brianna let me drive that car, so I got to drive on some of the twisties. So tried to capture that as much as I could. And yeah, I enjoyed myself. Weather was perfect. Nice seeing everyone wave. And that's what Mini Takes is all about, is meeting other people, going on a route less travelled and enjoying yourself in a mini. What more could you ask for? As always guys, it's a mini adventure. Take care.